All right. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully you're having a great day and are getting ready for a great end to your week. And so today I've got your Burn at Home workout. I'm Coach Skip, and we're going to get right after it today. We've got a warm up with 3 rounds of 25 run in place, 10 good mornings, 10 hollow ups, and 5 down up dogs. And so we're starting, again, 3 rounds with that 25 run in place. And so just like you're jogging, stay on the balls of your feet, get those arms and legs moving together, and just nice, easy jog, 25 steps. Right plus left is going to equal 1 on this. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, get those knees up higher, go a little bit faster. If you need to slow it down and do more of a standing march with less impact, that's totally fine. Whatever you're able to do today. Tomorrow, you'll get a little bit better. After that 25 run in place, you're going to do 10 good mornings. And so bend at the waist. Notice that soft bend in the knees. And that's really going to help me get that hamstring stretch every time. Once I get down, I come up and snap to and really squeeze the glute. So you get that extra part of the movement, hamstrings and glutes every single time. After your 10 good mornings, do 10 hollow ups. That hollow up, you're going to be flat on your back, arms overhead, and just make that banana shape with the body, squeeze the core, and right back down. Just like that. If you need to go hands below the shoulders, that's okay too. Just bring your shoulders and thighs off the ground. And if you need to do this from a seated position, just do the same thing where you're bringing your legs up and making that banana shape with the body each time. Finally, after the 10 hollow ups, you're going to do 5 down up dogs. And so get that stretch in the shoulders, get that head through the window, even bicycle those calves when you're in the down dog, and then push those hips into the ground and push that chest away when you get into that up dog. And just right back and forth 5 times. If you need to do this from a raised position, just do the same thing where you really stretch those shoulders and then push those hips in. Think about the front of a couch. That'll work perfect for something like this. So 3 rounds, 25 run in place, 10 good mornings, 10 hollow ups, and 5 down up dog. For the workout today, we've got a 15-minute AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes. So start that time, clock, watch, whatever you've got. And we're going to start with 10 mule kicks, then go to 5 V-ups, then 10 lunges, and 5 diamond push-ups. So 4 exercises, alternating back and forth between 10, 5, 10, 5. So on the mule kicks, 10 of them, you're going to go right down, keep that front leg straight, foot flat, and then kick the other leg out. That is going to be 1 rep. Right plus left equals 1. Again, big kick, and then switch right back and forth here. 2, you get the point. If you're not able to get quite all the way where you're touching the ground, just get as low as you can and kick that leg back. If you need to use a platform, that's okay, same thing. And you should feel that stretch in the hamstring each time when you do that mule kick. After the mule kick, you're going to be doing 5 V-ups. So the V-up, you're going to be flat on your back, arms overhead, and you're making the V position with your body by bringing your hands to your toes, right up and down. Work on keeping those legs straight the entire time. If you're not able to get quite that range of motion, then just bring your elbows to your knees. And just do more of a crunch movement here. If you need to do this from a seated position, then same thing. Just bring those legs up and bring those toes up to your hands each time and get as high as possible so you get that core squeeze. Or bring the knees into the chest and let it go. Either one is fine. Remember, the best thing is what you've got today. Next is going to be the 10 lunges. On that lunge, you're just taking that big step, get the knee all the way to the ground, and then drive away. And again, switch legs. Right plus left equals 1 on these as well. If you're not able to get all the way touching that knee to the ground, just get as far as you can, but make sure you're getting a good feeling in those legs. We want you to feel those, especially in the quads and the glutes on those 10 lunges. You can also do this stepping up onto a box or a stair, and same thing, just stepping up and back down. And we're working the same muscles in this step up as we are in the lunge. It's actually kind of just a reverse movement here. Finally, after those 10 lunges, you're going to do 5 diamond push-ups. The diamond refers to the fact that I'm bringing my fingertips and thumbs together on this and keeping that position. So hands are together and closer, going all the way down, touching that chest, and then drive away all the way up to the top. Just like that. If you need to do this from your knees, same thing, just right down and right up. If you're doing it off of your knees, a lot of times it's going to help to start with your chest on the ground and push away, and that way you keep your torso straight the entire time without having your butt up into the air for those push-ups. The last way to do this is just going to be from a raised platform where you're going right down and right up, or again from the knees, the same way. So 15 minutes, as many rounds as possible, 10 mule kicks, 5 V-ups, 10 lunges, and then 5 diamond push-ups. So keep a steady pace with all of these just for 15 minutes. Do as many reps as possible in that time frame. Count your rounds. Grab a piece of paper, a jar of pennies, whatever you need to do to keep track of those rounds, and post it either in Beyond the Whiteboard or post your score here in the comment section. So that's it. If you have any questions, we're here to help. As always, we've got the 19.2 of the Open that's being announced tomorrow night, and our main event will be on Saturday, and we will still have our Saturday 9 a.m. friends and family class where all skill levels are welcome to come in and have some fun and get in a great workout. So thanks a lot. I'm Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.